Good. Ready? Hi! 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 Excellent. Very good. All right, let's work on our roundhouse kick. Say roundhouse kick.
Roundhouse kick.
Good. So before we get started from standing, let's learn it from a kneeling position. Miss King, can you get on both knees?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you're going to put your hand that's furthest away from us on the ground. Good. And you're going to bring up the leg that's closest to us all the way up like this with your heel next to your bum. Good. Notice how this knee is nice and straight. Good. Say 1.
1, sir.
Good. 2, you're going to bring it out. Point those toes. Very good. Keep it in a straight line. Good. Say 2.
2, sir.
3, say bring it back.
Bring it back.
Good. And 4, put it on the ground.
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's do it 2 more times. Ready? 1.
1, sir.
2.
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
1 more. 1.
1, sir.
2.
2, sir.
3.
3, sir.
4.
4, sir.
Good. And switch the other way.
Yes, sir.
All right, so it's really important that you understand that you need to start from the ground because it's gonna really get you the fundamental on how to do that roundhouse kick correctly. Good, so put that left hand on the ground, or put that hand on the ground. Lead leg, ready? 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
nice, good extension. 3,
3, sir.
and 4. Good, 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
and 4. Ready? 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
and 4. Excellent. Good. Go ahead, stand up. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing, but without a stance. So she's going to be standing sideways. The lead leg is going to come up, heel to bum. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Notice how she has nice control over her body. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And opposite way. Good. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you happen to struggle with balance, grab yourself like a kitchen chair or something, put your hand on that to stabilize you in the standing position. Ready? 1,
1, sir.
2,
2, sir.
3,
3, sir.
4. Excellent. Okay, now from a stance. Put your left leg forward, fighting stance. So the first thing we need to work on is bringing that knee around. Say, bring it around.
Bring it around.
So as I point my knee, I'm going to bring it around my tummy around. So just do that. Ready? Bring it around and back.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Bring it around and back.
Yes, sir.
Bring it around and back.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, when I say height, she's going to bring it all the way around and put all of those steps together and throw a really strong kick. Ready? Height.
Aye.
Excellent. Height.
Aye.
One more. Height.
Aye.
Very good. And now she's going to switch her feet. Good. Bring it around. Excellent. Put it down.
Yes, sir.
Bring it around and put it down.
Yes, sir.
Ready? Strong kick. Height.
Aye.
Height.
Aye.
Height.
Aye.
Good. Let's see what it looks like on a strong target. Good. The roundhouse kick is intended to target the sides of the body. So the sides of the head, the rib cage, or the legs. Good. Ready?